Da, 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 da. You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Good morning. So today's Friday and I am just about leaving the house. Mia is at school, Jesse's at work, but I have an appointment for today. So I have this spa that I'm working with today. She's actually one of my subscribers, one of my followers, and she owns a spa here in Abuja. So I'm working with her spa today, and you guys will go along with me so I can show you guys everything that her spa has to offer, all the services that her spa offers, and everything you might be interested in knowing about this place. Okay, I will also have a reel on Instagram about this spa as well, so look out for that. No makeup day because obviously it's a spa. I'm not sure what services we're going to be doing today, so I rather go with my face bare just in case, you know, a facial is going to be included and all of that. Anyways, let's go. Ghetto. Guys, it has taken me 1 hour to get here because I don't understand the traffic in town today. No fuel. There's no fuel, yet everybody is on the road. I don't understand what's happening. From one point to the other, I kept entering one traffic to the other. Extremely insane. But anyway, I just got here. I've called her, so one of her staff is coming down now to get me. I'm tired, as in, what the hell? This place is located at Wuye, all right, and I haven't even been to this part of Wuye. Like, Wuye is so big, you guys, right now. Like, Wuye is so big, and I hear that house friends here now is it's on fire because it has been so developed right now. Like, it's big. See all the houses. Like, let me show you guys this one around here. Like, look at that. So many dope looking houses around here. Like, I don't even want to know how much rent is in Wuye right now. Let me just get in there and then see what's going on.
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys in the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why are you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes.
So guys, I want you guys to meet the owner, the CEO of this place. See how pretty, see how pretty she is. A fine girl. So she's going to spoil me today, guys. Yes. I can't wait to get spoiled. Yes, girl.
You don't get that I see through this facade that surrounds you. Growing up takes time, so don't you waste mine. You and me ain't right. I'm wearing gold. You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. I
guys, I had such a good time here. Look at how my skin is glowing. I had such a good time at this place. I had a body polishing session, a full body polishing session, and it was so good, guys. Like, it was so good. I had like 2 steam baths. I had a fantastic massage. I had an amazing facial. Like, see, I loved every bit of this place. Like, I loved it. Yeah, guys, so I'm heading home. You guys can see I look very refreshed. See my eyes, I want to sleep. That's how refreshed and relaxed I feel right now. So let me get home. I might stop over at ShopRite and pick a few things and then head home. So yeah. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. So today is Saturday and I just brought Mia Rose over to the salon. Like, low key, I don't think I've ever taken her to a proper salon like ever since I gave birth to her, because she's always had somebody who can make hair at home. But I just want her to have a bit of a professional touch to her hair today, and that's why I brought her. So Mimi, I just took her out of her seatbelt. Hi. So yeah, that's our Saturday waka for today. And yeah, guys, let's go. She doesn't like you. Hi, Mama. No, stay. Wash your hair. Let Uncle wash your hair for you, okay? Don't be scared, Mama. Let's rinse it. Let's remove the soap now.
Let's remove the soap.
Okay, I'll wash it. I'll wash it for you. Yeah, put your hair down. I'm washing it for you. Mama, stop now. Yellow. Oh well, I'm sorry, you have to wash your hair. You're a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That feels good, right? Yeah. Baby.
Hey, Mommy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My child is ready for school today.
Mommy.
Yeah?
I want my school.
You're going to school right now, I promise. We had to double tie her hair because the beads kept falling out. So we had to like double tie it so that they don't come out. And by double tying it, the length became shorter, but that's still okay. The weather is pretty hot anyways, so she looks so beautiful. I just did baby hairs for her this morning. Look at how cute those baby hairs look. These are like the premium baby hairs. You cannot buy this one in the market. If you are not a baby, you cannot have this type of hair. That's just sweetie, are you ready for school, my love? You're ready? Look at that cute face. Let me see your teeth. I'm recording. That's what I'm doing. How pretty are you?
That.
That's my tripod. I'm holding my tripod on my camera.
What is that?
It's the camera. Before you be asking plenty questions. Oh, you've seen this camera multiple times before. Oh, you're just being mischievous. I love your hair.
No.
So who made your hair for you? Who made your hair for you? Mommy? Well, I didn't make the whole hair. I just did your baby hairs this morning.
Baby.
Yeah, baby hairs. Hey guys. I'm already mad ladies. But hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today is what now? Wednesday. I honestly haven't been vlogging as much, to be honest. I don't know. I've just seen you guys, like, if you're living in Abuja, you would know that maybe not even only in Abuja, I think it's literally in almost all the parts of Nigeria right now, but there's a terrible heat wave going on. Like, the heat is biting. That's how bad the heat is. Like, there is a terrible heat wave going on right now, and light is non-existent. By light I mean electricity is non-existent. As I'm talking to you right now, we have not had light since yesterday, 5 p.m. yesterday. For a place that always has light, it is super bad. We've not had light since 5 p.m. yesterday. This is 10 p.m. 24 hours after. So that's like, this is like 30 hours without light right now. 30 hours without power. We are currently running generators, and it's funny because I have cooked food in my freezer. So even though we typically don't use our generator to power our freezer, I had to do that today just so that food doesn't start to go bad. And guys, see, it's ridiculous. Like, it is ridiculous. This is the one thing that can make me say, you know what, F it, I'm leaving this country. This is the one thing that drives me completely nuts about Nigeria. This constant lack of electricity, and right now it's even worse because this terrible heat wave going on. So imagine that there is so much heat and you don't even have power to run your ACs. Like, anyways, this is not a rant, okay? I just wanted to end today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe. Oh, by the way, yeah, there's still no fuel, so even fuel to power your generator is a problem when there's no electricity. See what I mean? It's crazy. Look, I'm sweating so bad. Okay, anyway, hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, share, comment. I'll see you guys in my next one. Hopefully by tomorrow I'll be able to pick up my camera and continue vlogging, because I haven't vlogged in literally 3-4 days right now. But anyways, that's that. See ya. Mwah.